country road. Take me home to the place where I belong. No, wait. I got one more. Can't take back the love that I gave you, to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, but I must replace you. Oh, yeah. I forgot the rest of the lyrics.
Oh, crap.
Hey, guys! Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be playing Animal Company with our new guest, LoudMouth.
Animal Company. With me. Yeah, what's up? What's up?
Alright, yeah, we'll be playing Animal Company.
Should we tell them the theme?
Yeah, we'll be playing Animal Company, and we'll be trying to get $10,000.
We're starting off from very little money. I have $39.
I am going to spend all my money on stuff.
That's the best use of money you could have possibly used. Wait.
Alright, I have $33.
Okay, I have 39.
Alright, we are going to start with we're going to be starting with very little money to get to 10,000 in this video. Alright, first off.
Okay, I'm going to try not to die once.
Yeah, we're going to try not to die at all. Woo! Oh, I forgot a bag.
Oh yeah, and just to prove to you guys, nothing in the backpacks. So now we'll be starting from zero. You know what else you forgot? Oh, flashlight.
Gosh dang it.
Is this backpack already full?
No. What the?
Okay, I think it's full.
Okay.
Oh my god!
I got so close to dying. Oh yeah, and if you guys want to download this game, because it's real fun, it's called Animal Company, as you can tell because we said it at the beginning of the video, and it's really fun. So the point of the game is you gotta collect things, and then sell it for money, and then you can like buy things, and then just get more money, and then it's just fun.
Blue button!
How much money?
I'm guessing $60. Hey, guess what? Guess what?
Hey, $50. What?
Hey, come here. I want to show you something new. They added to the game.
Oh wait, let me get a backpack really quick. Here, wait, how much? I have $83.
Come here.
I have 34. Dang it, I'm so close to getting a flashlight. Let's go.
Yeah, it's up here. It's up here. Come on. Come on.
Ha! No way he thought he could kill me with the landmine. Oh yeah, there are also landmines that can kill you.
Hey! Get my backpack. That was totally on accident.
Yeah, sure.
Wait, tombs or chicken?
I'd go chicken because it's fun. The chicken is probably the easiest. The chicken is probably the easiest place to get money.
Almost. The chicken's just really fast. We could also go down to the angular fish. So down to those tombs. Since we don't
I hate those. It's so really hard
to get into.
I know.
Oh no, we got a lawnmower behind me. Can you hear
One?
the lawnmower?
No.
Okay, good.
I don't like this part because you keep selling and leaving me alone.
I got you. Ready?
You gotta go close.
Get it.
I got it.
I'm on it.
Get. Okay, I think this is not my backpack. Yeah, this is mine. Yeah. Alright. Woo!
1 HP right now.
That's crazy. Alright. That's the end of the first part of this. We'll be back in a second. Alright, we're back. With the next... That's a big banana.
We didn't need stuff like you have.
Ow! Ow! That's a big banana. Alright, yeah, but Loudon also got a big banana from the chicken. Loudon? Okay. Alright. So, but we're gonna, yeah. So, we stole some things from the chicken.
Oh, he angry.
'Holy crap, man.
Ah! He's coming! Run, LoudMouth, run! Ah! Ooh. Okay. What the?
Did they make
this
the
one's my
backpacks?
backpack then. This one's my backpack.
Wait, no.
Wait.
Wait, did they nerf the backpacks?
What the? No!
I bet you they nerfed the backpacks.
What is that?
Like, to not have as much space anymore.
Oh, that's stupid. We used to pack like 40 things in there. And no, we did not get any money while we were gone. Well, while we ended the video.
Only part you should be worrying about is me dying. My banana. I can't.
Come on, LoudMouth.
My bad. I kind of had to take a poo-poo with my toilet paper. I ate like this entire big banana, so I had to like go to poo-poo.
This is your backpack. You have my backpack. Mine has the one with the egg in it.
Goodbye, big banana. Big banana. Big.
There you go.
Oh, big fell out.
Oh, the egg. There it is.
Egg.
The egg costs like $200.
I bet you this one's gonna be it. Nope, this one. This one. I knew it! Oh yeah, so that toilet paper must be worth more since I put my poop on it.
Hey! $450.
Burn me alive.
$470. Woo!
Burn me alive.
Okay. I mean, you cost no money, but okay. We're gonna get like $1 from your backpack. Oh, the back. You didn't even get in! Alright, LoudMouth. We are going to go to the tombs.
Remember, we should go hit up the hole.
We are going to what?
To the hole.
To what hole? Oh, the like lava place?
But we gotta figure out a way to how to get out. That should be another point in this video. Figuring out a way how to get out of that.
Get out of what?
So if people want to download this game, they can try to go do that and like leave a comment on how to do it. Because that's what we struggle with.
With what?
Getting out of the hole.
What hole?
That one, the deep one behind that, like, where we get our money.
Oh yeah, that?
I gotta go to another area.
I have a gold statue in the room.
He's right over there. Still get hold so much now.
I know. Uh-oh, there's a toilet paper.
Maybe it's just the area you're in. He's coming back. Oh, crap.
I'm in.
I'm not going right now. I'm gonna go after the one.
Ruby secure.
I can't move! I can't! No!
Let's salute our
Dude.
fallen hero.
Dude, I had so much stuff!
Don't worry, I have stuff.
Gosh dang it, why do I keep buying the wrong backpack? Okay. I'll get this one then. Woo! I'm a monkey. Woo! Woo!
Chat.
What?
I'm coming back. I'm coming.
Oh jeez.
Hey, look up.
What the frick? That was like a trick shot. Oh my gosh, why was that such a speed run? Where are you at, LoudMouth? LoudMouth, I repeat, where are you at? I hit my controllers! I hit my controllers! Ow, ow, ow! What happened to LoudMouth? Gosh. Oh, this thing must be full too. Oh my gosh, that is so loud. $54. Oh, that is crazy. Oh, yes. $1,360. And I am going to end this right here because I need to go find LoudMouth. Bye-bye.